Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a passkey so that you can log into your Shopify account. Passkeys are super useful because if you have a long password, you can create one passkey and that's going to allow you to quickly sign in. So all you have to do is just remember that passkey and you enter that and you'll be able to log in. So how do you do that? Click your My Store on the upper right hand side once you're inside Shopify, and you want to click on your account name there. Right there you will see your email address as well. Now from here you want to go from the general tab to the security tab, so click on security on the left hand side, and here you will see passkey and it says it's recommended. Right now you can log in with your fingerprint, your face recognition, or even a pin instead of your password, as I mentioned before. So those passkeys, and it will be synced across all of your devices, right? So how do you do that? You see the create a passkey on this side, so just simply go ahead and click on create. Choose, for example, an email address, so it's going to re-authenticate this. So I'm going to click on that so you can see. Now it's going to ask me to sign in with my email address here, and from here I'm going to just simply click and continue. Right now it's going to go ahead and say saved, and I'm going to go ahead and just say save another way, whatever option that allows to me. Then it's going to ask me now to choose, for example, the Google password manager. So I can do that, or I can do it with Windows. It's really up to me, whichever one I choose. I'm going to choose, for example, this one, and then I'm going to click on create. Now you see that it gives me this option now to actually enter the passkey. So I'm going to go ahead and create something, and I'm going to quickly confirm that. And as you can see, my passkey is created and it's done. And that's it. At any point in time, if you feel like you don't want to use it anymore, you can always follow the steps as I showed you, and you can always go back and you can remove the passkey so that you're only using your credentials that you used before to log in, whether that's your Gmail or whatever you're using to sign into your Shopify store. But that's how you create your passkey, guys. It's super easy and super simple.